Hello friends, I greet you once again. So here we have a lesson of Excel. So we're going to see bordering autofill numbering. So you see we have some marks of chemistry, mathematics, biology, and then we have also total percentage rank. But first of all, let's just do this numbering and autofill numbering. So suppose that here we have no number here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to 11 as the number of student. So we can put there 0 by clicking right click, then clear content. There is here you see there's nothing. So also you can number this student by putting 1. Next you put 2. Only that. Then hold left click, select 1 and 2 like this. After selecting, then autofill here. You put this plus sign, then click or hold left click, then drag downward to fill cells. You see, this is how to number or to filling numbers for as part 1. So also bordering. What is the bordering? Suppose that you see number of cells as you look here, and you want to put some lines as a table to make a table. So where you go, you can go here, okay, you can drag here, okay, then you click there. You will see what is known as all borders. Okay, first of all you select what you want to border. After selection, click in this arrow, then you see all borders. You see there is some lines, but if you want other kind of lines, also you select the content you want to border. Then after you go there, click here more borders. So then you see what kind of borders you need. You can go here automatic. You see what color you need. First of all, you need to border by using this color. Okay, the size of line you can select here, for example this one, the big one. Then you go where you want to border this one, left, okay, then you border right, up, you border rightward, then bottom, even, you see, it means all borders. Then after click OK. You see that our content have been bordered like this. Okay, so next step we will see how to make a total, percentage and rank. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a wonderful time.